Okay, so this is the proof, visualization, and server hardware. So when you press on the start, you have to press on the start lab so that your ASW will tend to change from the yellow to the green. So after doing that, it will give you some time for it to load, and then you can see it's loading. Yes, so it has now turned to green. Yes. Now you have to come to your EC2. When I go to my EC2, I have to launch. So I'd have to launch on my instance. That's where the cursor is. And then enter my name, my surname with 135. Come down and then select the Windows file. And then do the necessary arrangements and then selections. So to create a key, and that is the key I'm using. That's POM. So I have to go back and then select the P from my previous file. Just copy it and then paste it into it. So I paste the key that I copied from the other file into the space and create key pair. Create a key pair. It took some time to download though. Alright, so it's successfully launched, and then I have to view all my instance. So I have to view all my instance that is down there. Now in doing this, I have to go back and then watch the information given so that I could get the actual thing I'm doing. So after clicking on my instance, you could see the names there. That is the surname with the 235. So the process is quite difficult. So in doing that, I still have to go back and then watch the guidelines so that I wouldn't do any mistake. So you could see after selecting the name, you could see the instance state is running, and it has the instance ID with the instance type, that is the t3.micro. And then I have to come and then download the remote. You have to download the remote desktop file. So after downloading the remote desktop file, I'll then have to open the Windows directed file, and then after creating my password, I insert the password into it so that I can get it done. So I'm uploading the files. So you have to copy your password, and then you paste it into the remote downloaded file. And knowing that I still have to go back and then check the guidelines so that I wouldn't go off. Yes, I have to go to downloads and then open the remote file I downloaded. So it's been launched, and then I insert the password that I generated. So I copied the password. Then dropped it there. So my remote file is now loading, and then it's being set to administrator.